Hello everyone. So today what we'll be doing is we'll be going over what Zoom is and how Zoom works, kind of, and how to navigate through different features of Zoom. So Zoom is a very popular video conferencing software which is leveraged by universities and organizations all over the world. It is commonly used for video calls, voice calling, screen sharing, and collaboration. So Zoom can simply be downloaded, by going to zoom.com or writing down download Zoom on Google. So since here we already have Zoom installed in the system, we'll be just navigating how Zoom works. So when we open Zoom, this is the first screen which is provided to us. So what we can do is either we can join a meeting anonymously or we can sign in to our account. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to sign in using my university account. So we have multiple options as we click on sign in. Either we can use an email and a password combination, or we can use an SSO, that is a single sign-on option, or we can use a Google email. We have a Google account option, or we can also sign in using Facebook, or we have an option to sign up using an email and a password. So in this video, I'll be using the SSO option, single sign-on option. So as you can see, I'm signed on right now using the SSO option. So as I sign on, what we'll see is this is the home screen of Zoom. Within the home screen, we are kind of getting a comprehensive view of different features and options available to us. So starting with the topmost, we have a search bar, which we'll be digging into later. Then we have an home tab. Then we have a chat option. Then we have meetings, contacts, and of course our profile picture. So I'll be navigating through each of these options in this video. But talking about what we have on the main screen, we have a new meeting option, we have a join option, we have a schedule option, and we have a share screen option. So starting with the first one, new meeting. The new meeting is something uh, clicking on which will kind of create a new meeting for us. So I'll do that in this video. So this is an entirely new meeting which Zoom has created for me. It will have a unique link to which the users can join in, and I'm getting an option on how to join. So right now I'll be using my computer audio to join. So this is an entirely new meeting which Zoom has started for me. And as you can see, I'm getting different options over here. I can unmute myself when I have to speak. I can start my video, which I'll do right now. And then I can also go through the participants. I can even copy the link of the meeting. It will help me to I can share the link with anyone, and that person can join my meeting. Then we have a chat option if you want to chat in the meeting. We can also share screen. As I mentioned, we can collaborate. So record options basically helps us in recording the meeting and kind of referring it later on stage. We can also view a live transcript, so whatever I'm speaking now will appear as a subtitles or transcript in the meeting. I can also create breakout rooms. I can also put some reactions, and I can also go live on Facebook or YouTube. So this was about a new meeting. So this is a new meeting which Zoom has created for me as I created. I'm going to end this meeting for now. Then we have a join option. Join option will basically require us to have a meeting ID or a personal link to which we can connect. And this is the name which I'll be joining in as. This is the name which will appear to other participants in the meeting. Moving to the next option, I can even schedule the meeting. So if I schedule the meeting, I'll provide the date and time when I want to schedule the meeting. I'll give a topic of the meeting. It could be any topic, for example, future discussion, next month or this month wrap up, anything. Or and then I'll generate a meeting ID. I can even use my personal meeting ID, which I'll explain in a couple of minutes. I can even set video and audio settings, and I can set it on my calendar for the ease of access for everyone. Lastly, I have an option to share screen. This is